Hello and welcome back to Desert DIY. If you are new here, my name is Corey. I finally have my Christmas home tour ready for you and I hope you enjoy it. This year's theme is Simple Living. I am so tired of storing a ridiculous amount of Christmas stuff in my shed, in my garage, in my closets, all over the place, just so that I could have it out for 1 month of the year, if that. So this year I decided I'm going to just declutter that, de-stress that part of my life, and keep only the things that I love and that bring me joy, kind of like the Marie Kondo style of decluttering. And I also got rid of a lot of stuff that didn't match in my new house. We moved into this house about 2 years ago, and it was under construction for a very long time. And I didn't really get a chance to get to know this house as far as how it should be decorated for Christmas until this year, and I am so happy with how everything has turned out. It's much more open and airy and easier to clean the house. I don't know if there's other people who have the same feeling, but I feel like when you decorate a lot for Christmas, it makes it so hard to keep the house clean because there's so much stuff everywhere. So this year, I'm doing less is more, and I hope that it doesn't appear too sparse to you guys, but it's just making me so happy, and I can't wait to show you. So here we go. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to head over to my giveaway video. Once I hit 2,500 subscribers, I'm going to be sending a lucky subscriber a $25 Amazon gift card, no strings attached, as a thank you for supporting my channel and helping me become monetized. So the little bit of money that I'm earning now, I wanted to give some back to you. Thank you so much again for watching, and have a great day. Bye!